What is a research question? A good research question is essential to guide your research paper, project, or thesis. It pinpoints exactly what you want to find out and gives your work a clear focus and purpose. The research questions specify what you want to learn about the topic. They guide and structure the process of collecting and analyzing information to help you to attain the purpose of your study. In other words, research questions are the translation of the problem of the organization into a specific need for information. Let's make research questions on the basis of our proposed model. For example, this is our theoretical framework, and we have to write research questions on the basis of this model. Stressor is independent variable IV. Exposure to cyberbullying is dependent variable DV. Fear is mediator. Whereas reappraisal and suppression are moderators in the model. Let's start to build research questions on the basis of given model. First, we will start with independent and dependent variable and build first research question as: does stressor have a significant impact on exposure to cyberbullying? In second research question we will take mediator with independent variable. Does stressor have a significant impact on fear? Whereas, in third research question we will take independent variable, moderator and mediator, and write research question as: how reappraisal plays a moderating role between stressor and fear. Fourth research question would be: how suppression plays moderating role between fear and exposure to cyberbullying. Lastly, in the last research question, the relation of independent variable, dependent variable and mediator would be considered. How fear plays mediating role between stressor and exposure to cyberbullying. So, on the basis of this research model, we have built 5 research questions that are: does stressor have a significant impact on exposure to cyberbullying? Does stressor have a significant impact on fear? How reappraisal plays a moderating role between stressor and fear? How suppression plays moderating role between fear and exposure to cyberbullying? How fear plays mediating role between stressor and exposure to cyberbullying? Keep in mind you have to write research questions after deciding your IV, DV, mediator and moderator. Hope you like this video. The type of research questions that I have developed are related to causal study. Causal study assumes that you can describe both the cause and effect variables and that you can show that they are related to each other.